This Staple Ease lifesaver. Definitely recommend this Staple Ease. This one's called the Staple Pro. I'll put a link in the description to it, but it's $200, 100% worth it. And I got this Klein bolt bag on my belt, and I put all my fabric pins in there. It goes so much faster and gets you off your hands and knees. And you can punch those staples through hard ground, punch them through the roots. It's really nice. So here we are making the curve. Going up the driveway. Got a nice crown on the driveway. And looking back down the hill. Nice smooth ditch going out to the field. Well, let's try this thing out for the first time. Put a staple in. Hey, pretty nice. Heck yeah, I can get used to that. So starting off here, I'm a little clumsy getting staples in the stapler. Just had to figure out my groove and rhythm of what hand I wanted to hold it with and flip it up with to put the staple in the bottom. But as I got going, and you'll see later on in this video, I really find a rhythm of how I like to pick it up and insert the staple and put it back down. And I don't remember what that rhythm was, but I'm sure if you use it, you'll find what works for you. I'll go ahead and say it. This has got to be one of the coolest things in the world. Well, I know they make one that actually has a clip, so it'd hold like 50 staples. But that one was like $1,200. This one was like $200. So, yeah, that would be nice, but I don't do this every day. That was hard soil right there. You would have bent that in a heartbeat trying to use a hammer. Right up there close to the road. I just want to talk a little bit while these time lapses are playing. This staple driver is awesome. My old method was to crawl around on my hands and knees, push staples in by hand, and then, with the palm of your hand, and if you couldn't push them all the way in, then I would usually use a hammer and try to hit them in harder. This staple driver, it holds the staple in position so that as you slam down on that handle, it can drive this thing like a nail through roots. So you don't bend staples, they go in a lot easier, you stay off your hands and knees, you're not crouched over or anything, so it really makes this work a lot more tolerable. I'm not being paid to make this video or anything like that, so this isn't some gimmicky sales pitch, but if you are interested in buying this thing, go ahead and click that link in the description. It takes you to Amazon where I bought this one from, and it gives me a couple bucks back for everyone that you purchase off there, so that helps me out a little bit. But again, not paid by Stapleys or anything. It's just something that really helped me out a lot, so I figured I'd make this video, so maybe it'll help you out too. If you can, like, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.